Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Lexus RX versus Lincoln Nautilus. We will explore their key differences and similarities across performance, interior, and safety features to help you decide which luxury SUV best suits your needs. The Lexus RX is known for its refined ride and reliability, while the Lincoln Nautilus offers a bold design and a focus on passenger comfort. Let's dive into the specifics of each vehicle. When it comes to performance, both SUVs offer compelling options. The Lexus RX starts with a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine, delivering 275 horsepower. For those seeking efficiency, Lexus provides several hybrid powertrains, with the most powerful offering 306 horsepower. The Lincoln Nautilus counters with a standard 2.0-liter turbocharged engine producing 250 horsepower and an available 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6 that generates 310 horsepower, providing robust acceleration. Inside, both vehicles aim for luxury, but with different approaches. The Lexus RX presents a driver-focused cockpit, often featuring a 14-inch touchscreen and high-quality materials throughout its quiet cabin. The Lincoln Nautilus, however, makes a grand statement with its expansive 48-inch panoramic display spanning the dashboard, paired with an 11.1-inch touchscreen. Lincoln also emphasizes comfort with available 24-way adjustable seats and an immersive Revel audio system, creating a serene and technologically advanced environment. Safety is paramount for both luxury SUVs. The Lexus RX comes standard with Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0, a comprehensive suite including pre-collision system with pedestrian detection and lane tracing assist. The Lincoln Nautilus is equipped with Lincoln Co-Pilot 360 Vision 2.0, which features adaptive cruise control, blind spot information system, and evasive steer assist. Both vehicles offer strong safety credentials, providing peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike, making them excellent choices in the luxury SUV segment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.